Welcome to Brainy Kids.
Hi kids! Are you ready for the new lesson? Let's start. At the park. At the park. It is Saturday. It is Saturday. I am going to the park. I am going to the park. I come here with my parents and sister. I come here with my parents and sister. I love to listen to the birds singing. I love to listen to the birds singing. I can see beautiful flowers in the park. I can see beautiful flowers in the park. I do not pluck the flowers. I do not pluck the flowers. I run and play with football. I run and play with football. I like to ride my bicycle. I like to ride my bicycle. I buy ice cream and candy. I buy ice cream and candy. I never throw the garbage there. I never throw the garbage there. I am very happy. I am very happy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us for more amazing lessons.